Wrist exercise.
Dumbbell lying one arm. Deltoid rear. Lie on your side on a flat bench with a dumbbell in your top hand. Keep your top arm close to your body with a slight bend in the elbow. Raise the dumbbell up and away from your body, targeting the rear deltoid. Lower the dumbbell back to the starting position with control. Complete the desired number of repetitions before switching sides.
Next exercise.
Cable standing rear delt row. Attach a rope to a high pulley cable and select the weight. Stand facing the cable machine, feet shoulder width apart, and grasp the rope with both hands. Pull the rope towards your face, keeping your hands apart and elbows high. Squeeze your shoulder blades together at the end of the movement. Slowly return to the starting position. Repeat.
Next exercise.
Elbow lift. Reverse push-up. Lie on your back with your arms at your sides, palms facing down. Bend your elbows and place them close to your body. Press down into your elbows and lift your chest and hips off the ground, keeping your body straight. Hold the lift for a moment, then slowly lower your body back to the starting position. Repeat.
Next exercise.
Landmine lateral raise. Stand next to the end of a landmine bar with your feet shoulder width apart. Grasp the barbell sleeve with the hand closest to the weights. Keeping your arms straight, lift the barbell out to the side until it is parallel with the floor. Lower the barbell back down to your side with control. Repeat for the desired number of repetitions before switching sides.
Next exercise.
Lever, seated reverse, fly. Sit facing the machine with your chest against the pad and grab the parallel handles. With a slight bend in your elbows, pull the handles out to your sides. Squeeze your shoulder blades together at the end of the movement. Slowly return to the starting position while maintaining tension in your shoulders. Repeat.
Next exercise.
Dumbbell rear delt row. Bend over at the waist with your feet shoulder width apart, holding a dumbbell in each hand. With a slight bend in your elbows, lift the dumbbells straight out to the sides, squeezing your shoulder blades together. Lower the dumbbells back to the starting position. Repeat.